Yo, look at this wash action. Look at this. Yeah, like when it's washing, look how it did. Look at how it did. Look. That's how it's supposed to work. And I did not use fabric softener at all because it says you cannot put it in there for rinsing. Only put it in there when you try to prepare it, or you cannot yet when it's washing. It will not absorb it. It will not absorb it. Trust me. So when it's spinning, it will dispense, and then when it dispenses, and it will disappear. And when it disappears, and when it rinses, it will make the clothes smell so absorbent. That's one thing you need to know about this thing here. But I did not use it though because I have towels in there that I've loaded up though. And the next one we're gonna use is this detergent, which is gonna be for the next one. And here you go. And subscribe to my channel for more washing videos. And thank you for watching. Have a great day, and see you next time.